In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sheet summary report in Smartsheet. A sheet summary report is perfect for rolling up key metrics from multiple sheets into one view, so you can see things like status, costs, and ownership at a glance. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, open the report builder. In Smartsheet, click Create, then select Report and choose Sheet Summary Report. This report type specifically pulls from the sheet summary section of your source sheets, not from the regular row columns, which is why it's ideal for high-level dashboards and executive views. Last, select your source sheets, click Add Sheets, pick one or more sheets that contain the data you want to summarize, and then click OK. A quick tip here: you'll get the best results when the sheets you select use consistent sheet summary field names. For example, project status should be named exactly the same across all sheets, so the report can align those fields properly. Now choose your sheet summary fields. Smartsheet will display all available fields from the selected sheets. Select the ones you want to include in your report, such as project status, total cost, or owner. Remember, these come from each sheet's sheet summary panel, not the sheet's regular columns. If something you expect isn't listed, it means that field doesn't exist in the sheet summary section of one or more source sheets and won't be included here. With your fields in place, let's make the report easier to read by grouping and sorting. Group the report by a field like owner or department to create clear sections. Then sort by priority, status, or date to control the order within each group. Grouping adds structure, while sorting highlights what needs attention first. Take a moment to review and adjust the layout. Rename columns if needed so the headings are crystal clear to your audience. Reorder fields to present the most important information first. Scan your totals and summary values to confirm they look correct and consistent across groups. If you see blanks or odd numbers, it usually means a field is missing in some source sheets or uses different naming. Finally, save and share the report. Click Save, give it a clear, descriptive name like Project Sheet Summary Overview, and share it with stakeholders. You can also add the report to a dashboard for real-time visibility. Reports reflect the latest data from your sheets automatically, so your audience will always see the current picture. That's it. You've created a clear, comprehensive sheet summary report in Smartsheet.